one thing which we learned out here is that it's not the grades or anything that matter much. It's all about the approach that you have towards life, which is a positive one, which is very important because that's what I've learned in the last 14 years in the corporate world right now. Yeah, so I think that was something which laid the base for here. And I think, yeah, that's the thing. It was great. Actually, you got to know a lot of things that at the end of the day, it's not only about where you're coming from, but it's all about where you want to be. I think that's the most important thing, which one of the industry expert told us when he was here in the college for a guest lecture. I just want to give one advice that 2 years, because these 2 years will never come back in your life. Work and all, everything happens. When you're in the corporate world, it's all about the work that you put in, nothing else. Thank you very much. Thank you.